Wait, before you buy a Samsung TV, watch this video till the end, because one wrong choice can waste your hard-earned money. In the next 10 minutes, you will clearly understand the real difference between Samsung Crystal UHD, QLED, and Neo QLED TVs. This is an AI-generated video, but every solution here is 100% practical, tested, and workable. If you watch the full video, you will be able to solve your own confusion without visiting a showroom. If you face any difficulty, write your question in the comments, and I will reply within 1 hour. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes. Now let us start in a simple technician-style language. Samsung mainly sells 3 popular TV types in the market: Crystal UHD, QLED, Neo QLED. All 3 look premium from outside, but inside technology is completely different. First, let us understand Crystal UHD. Crystal UHD is Samsung's entry-level to mid-range smart TV lineup. These TVs use LED LCD panels with a standard LED backlight. Samsung uses a special layer called Crystal Processor to improve color and sharpness. Do not confuse Crystal UHD with OLED. Crystal UHD is not OLED. Crystal UHD TVs are best for normal users. If you watch cable TV, YouTube, Facebook videos, and Netflix occasionally, Crystal UHD is enough. Brightness level is average. Black color is not fully deep. In dark rooms, black looks slightly gray. This is normal for LED TVs. Most Crystal UHD TVs support 4K resolution, which means 3840 by 2160 pixels. They usually support HDR10 and HDR10+. Dolby Vision is not supported in Samsung TVs. Sound quality is decent, but not cinematic. External soundbar is recommended for better experience. Crystal UHD is perfect if your room has low to medium light. If sunlight directly hits the screen, you may see reflection. Viewing angles are average. If you sit from side, color will slightly fade. Gaming performance is basic. Most Crystal UHD TVs support 60 Hz refresh rate. This means the screen refreshes 60 times per second. For casual gaming, this is okay. For PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, it is not ideal. Now let us talk about QLED. QLED means quantum dot light emitting diode. But do not get confused. QLED is still an LED TV. It is not self-emitting like OLED. The main difference is the quantum dot layer. This layer improves color brightness and color accuracy. QLED TVs are much brighter than Crystal UHD. Colors look more vibrant and punchy. This is very useful in bright rooms. If your TV room has a lot of windows or tube lights, QLED is better. Black levels are improved, but still not perfect black, because backlight is still used. Most QLED TVs support higher brightness, sometimes above 1000 nits. HDR performance is better compared to Crystal UHD. Highlights look more realistic. Fire, sunlight, and neon lights pop more. Gaming features are improved. Many QLED models support 120 Hz refresh rate. This means smoother motion and better gaming experience. They support HDMI 2.1. Variable refresh rate, also known as VRR, is supported in many models. Auto Low Latency Mode, also called ALLM, is available. If you connect PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X, QLED is a good choice. Input lag is low. Fast action games feel smooth. Viewing angles depend on model. Some QLED TVs use VA panels, some use IPS panels. VA panel has better contrast. IPS panel has better viewing angle. Now let us move to Neo QLED. Neo QLED is Samsung's premium LED TV technology. This is where things get serious. Neo QLED uses mini LED backlight. Mini LED means thousands of tiny LEDs instead of large LEDs. Because of this, local dimming zones increase massively. This improves black level dramatically. Black looks much deeper. Blooming effect is reduced. Blooming means light spreading around bright objects in dark scenes. Neo QLED controls light more precisely. And as always, I'll be replying to your comments within 1 hour, so feel free to ask anything below. Neo QLED TVs are changing the game with incredible brightness. Some models hit over 2000 nits, making HDR10+ content look absolutely stunning. Whether you watch movies at night or sports during the day, Neo QLED handles both perfectly. Room lighting doesn't matter much. Gaming performance is top class with 120 Hz refresh rates, HDMI 2.1, VRR, and FreeSync Premium Pro support. Motion handling is excellent, keeping fast camera movement smooth. Sports fans will truly love the clarity here. With better processors, the AI upscaling is stronger, making low-resolution cable TV look much sharper than standard displays. Sound technology is also improved with object tracking sound, though I still recommend a soundbar for the best experience. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I promise to reply within 1 hour. Now let us talk about common tricks and buying tips. Never buy a TV only by showroom demo. Showrooms use high-quality demo videos. These videos hide real weaknesses. Always check black performance using dark scenes. Ask the salesperson to play a dark movie scene. Look for gray patches and blooming. Check motion using sports clips. Football and cricket are best for this. If ball looks blurry, motion handling is weak. For gaming users, always check refresh rate. Do not assume all 4K TVs are 120 Hz. Read the box carefully. Check HDMI ports. If you have multiple gaming devices, you need multiple HDMI 2.1 ports. Avoid very thin budget models if you want durability. Thinner TVs sometimes have weaker speakers and cooling. I'll be replying to your comments within 1 hour, so let me know your thoughts below. If your internet uses Wi-Fi, check Wi-Fi band support. Dual band Wi-Fi means 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 5 GHz gives faster streaming. Always update TV software after buying. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then go to Software Update, then Update Now. This improves performance and fixes bugs. Disable unnecessary power saving if brightness feels low. Go to Settings, then go to General, then Power and Energy Saving, then turn off Eco Mode. For best picture, avoid Dynamic Mode. Use Standard or Movie Mode. Dynamic Mode oversaturates colors. Now let us summarize in simple words. Crystal UHD is best for budget buyers and casual viewers. QLED is best for bright rooms, sports, and gaming. Neo QLED is best for premium users who want near OLED level performance without burn and risk. If you want best value for money, mid-range QLED is the sweet spot. If budget allows, Neo QLED is future-proof. Samsung does not support Dolby Vision. But HDR10 Plus is still very good. Most streaming platforms now support HDR10 Plus. Finally, choose based on your usage, not marketing terms. More expensive does not always mean better for you. If this video helped you understand Samsung TV technology, please like the video. Share it with your friends who are planning to buy a TV. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest and practical tech solutions. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I will reply within 1 hour. Thank you for watching. Want near OLED level performance without burn and risk? If you want best value for money, mid-range QLED is the sweet spot. If budget allows, Neo QLED is future-proof. Samsung does not support Dolby Vision. But HDR10 Plus is still very good. Most streaming platforms now support HDR10 Plus. Finally, choose based on your usage, not marketing terms. More expensive does not always mean better for you. If this video helped you understand Samsung TV technology, please like the video. Share it with your friends who are planning to buy a TV. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest and practical tech solutions. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I will reply within 1 hour. Thank you for watching.